A lot of people send me their Excel files asking for help or feedback on their reports. And in those files, I see a lot of bad charts. It's enough to drive a person to drink. So I decided to compile a dossier of the 10 telltale signs that you're a chart amateur and the techniques you should use instead, so you can up your chart game to pro level. Now, before we start, just so we're all on the same page, remember the purpose of a chart is to provide visual representation of data, making it quicker and easier to interpret. Now, the key words are quicker and easier. Okay, grab your drink, let's get started. At number 1 are 3D effects, which add zero value, and at worst they can distort the results and mislead. The pie chart here illustrates this, with the red segment falsely appearing far bigger than the yellow segment. Just don't use 3D charts, ever. Chart amateurs love using Excel's built-in chart styles, particularly the ones with the dark backgrounds and the gradient fills. Just back away from the style gallery and let the data be the star of the show. Amateurs think they can make charts look more dramatic by starting the vertical axis above zero, but this is a big no-no for column charts. Just take this chart from Airwallex, illustrating their fees compared to other companies. They've purposely hidden the vertical axis so you can't see that it starts way above zero. The difference between the column heights makes Airwallex appear 75% cheaper than their nearest competitor, when in reality it's only 31% cheaper. This is a common marketing ploy to distort the truth, and it's effective because we subconsciously compare the height of the columns and make judgments. This is how the chart should look. Now, I should point out that the axis starting at zero is less important with line charts because we tend to refer to the axis labels to interpret one line's position in relation to others. Don't make people turn their head to read your chart labels. If your axis labels don't fit horizontally, then use a different chart, like a bar chart. Sorting data takes the work out of ranking, making your charts quicker and easier to interpret. Stacked charts make all but the first series difficult to compare. It's better to use a line chart if the point of the chart is to compare the different series. Excessive labeling clutters and distracts. Dial back the labels by only labeling key data points. Legends slow down interpretation because we have to flip between the data points and the legend and back and forth. It's better to directly label the data if you're not expecting the chart to update. Titles are often wasted on stating the obvious. Instead, use this prime real estate to communicate the key message. By the way, notice the alignment of the title is left in line with the axis, and this makes the chart appear tidier than a centered title. When you have data labels and vertical axis labels, the vertical axis labels and grid lines can often be redundant. You probably don't need both. You've made it to the end. Cheers to you. Now go forth and make professional looking charts by avoiding these 10 mistakes. And if I missed any, please share them in the comments. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. And if you know any chart amateurs, please share this video with them. Thanks for watching.